Hey guys, Tashtila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make green mix salad recipe, which is very simple and easy to make. And let's get started. And before start the video, please don't forget to click red button, it's written subscribe, and also hit the bell. If you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. First, I'm gonna wash the all vegetable. Now side the vegetable and let's make the sauce ingredient. For this, we need some garlic and some ginger. Ginger I'm going to use only juice, so no need to peel. And we need some lemon juice. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons. This is fish sauce. So if you are vegetarian, you can skip. You can add the soy sauce also. And 1 tablespoon garlic, half tablespoon ginger juice, pinch of black pepper, and just a little bit salt. Salt is according to taste you can add. And some green onions, just a little bit sesame seed, and that's it. How it is simple to make salad sauce. Now sauce is done, set aside. Now prepare the vegetable. The vegetable salad ingredient, you can choose any kind of vegetable as you like. So here I chop some salad leaves and some cucumbers, some black pepper, capsicum here I'm gonna use, some onion. By the way, you can cut any kind of shape as you like. Green capsicum and some tomato. And I'm gonna use some tofu also. By the way, if you don't have tofu, you can go with paneer also. And that's it. Our vegetable is ready. Now let's prepare the dressing. Now all are ready. Now you can add how much you're going to eat, and you can store leftover until 2 days in fridge, even sauce also and vegetable also. and add the sauce only when you're going to eat. Otherwise, once the sauce is added, after that mix it, and later it will looks also not good, even taste also not fresh taste coming. So I like to eat little crunchy and everything is looks fresh. So when you're ready for it, so you can add the sauce. Now add the sauce according to your needs, and after add the sauce, one time mix it and ready for enjoy. Okay guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and about the more recipe, please don't forget to share with your friends and family, and how it is, don't forget to leave comment below. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.